Thank you, Carla. In Texas, the food distribution supersite in Barnett Stadium shuts down 15 months after the pandemic hit. However, Governor Abbot announces that supplement food continues in the state. Eagle News correspondent Jane Rogel has the details.
Thank you and howdy from the Lone Star State. On Wednesday, nearly 1,200 cars and trucks looped around Barnett Stadium under a blazing sun, waiting for the last distribution of family food and household supplies from the neighborhood supersite. When the pandemic hit last March, Houston Independent School District Nutrition Services launched a community food distribution program after the district had to close its doors due to the pandemic. Since then, the staff of 1,600 employees have been working 6 days a week to staff over 10,000 distribution sites and giving out over 44 million pounds of food and household supplies, preparing and serving over 8.9 million meals while running standard cafeteria services for their face-to-face students. The department worked the front line serving food to families in need not only through the pandemic, but also through severe storms, extreme heat, and even a winter storm. Nutrition Services Officer Betty Wiggins stated, "Everything that could have been done to help our food insecure students and their families, they did it." Last month, the district announced that it would be shutting down its popular weekly neighborhood supersite community distribution program at the end of the school year and as public health conditions improved. The Barnett Stadium location was the last of 8 sites to close. Nutrition Services Senior Operations Manager Keith Lewis said the team will now focus on campus operations. "We will be shifting our attention to our school kitchens where we serve good food to our students attending class." He added that planning for the summer meals program also is underway. Virtual learners can still come by to pick up curbside student meals on Mondays and Thursdays through Thursday, June 10, 2021. Student meal delivery to select apartment complexes will continue through Friday, August 20, 2021. For a complete list of distribution times and locations, visit houstonisd.org/studentmeals. Meanwhile, Texas Governor Greg Abbott announced that the Texas Health and Human Services Commission will provide $208 million in Emergency Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, food benefits for the month of June as the state continues. SNAP benefits will receive a minimum of $95 in emergency allotment and a monthly 15% increase in their total benefits, starting from June 30 to September 2021. I hope you're staying safe there in your part of the country. In Houston, Texas, I'm Jane Rogel. Eagle News will live in interesting times. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Jane. Still to come, business news and